Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we will now conduct a front tractor or cab or truck pre-trip inspection. My truck is parked on level ground. My brakes are on, my keys are in my pocket. There's no leans to either side of my truck. There's no leaks under my truck. On the front of my truck, I have 5 amber color marker lights. Properly secured, working, no damage. My front windshield, properly secured, clean, no damage. My inspections are up to date. My hood mirrors, side mirrors are properly secured, clean, adjusted to driver, no damage. My headlights, multifunctional. Low beam, high beam, markers, flashers, and signals are properly secured, working, no damage. That concludes our front cab, tractor, or truck inspection.